Hey everyone, it's Matt here. In this episode we're going to learn functions. Functions are a very important part of C++ because they easily work with a lot of code. In a simple program like the Hello World one, you don't really need functions. I mean, why would you? But here we're going to learn what functions are and how they work. So let's create a variable a and read it. Right? So the first function we're going to create is a simple one. We're going to say int, and then we're going to say sum a and int a and int b. And we're going to say return a plus b. Don't worry, you don't need to understand what this does quite yet. Not yet. And there we go. Now I'm going to explain what this does. Sum ab. Now, what this does is, after reading the two numbers, it will take them as parameters in these functions. Like you created your own command, like scene or cout or int. You created your own command, and these are like what you're giving to it to work with. Like, yeah. And you've got these two parameters, which are a and b, and it's going to return their sum. Now, one very important thing that I usually miss is the fact that they don't have to be the same name. I can call num1, num1, and also num2 and num2. And when I replace them here, and num2, it's still going to work, because when I pass them as parameters, the function works with a copy of them and just gives them another name to work inside the function with them, and then returns this. The returning thing is like the response of that personalized command. So what this is going to do, it will allow us to read two numbers and show their sum using a function. Another interesting thing about function is that you can create void functions. Let's say void show int a, and let's say for int I equals 0, I smaller than a, I plus plus, cout high. And there we go. Now, what this does is we can say show 20, or just 2. And this will show two highs, you can see. What this did is it took 2 and attributed to a, and then started doing the cycle showing high twice. Now, it doesn't return anything because it doesn't have anything to return because we don't need it, so we created it a void one. And another function that you can create is int check p, I'll call it, int, and then int, and we're going to say int OK equals 1 for int I equals 2, I smaller than a, dot and comma I plus plus, if a modulo I double equals 0, I plus plus. Wonderful. I mean, OK equals 0. And then we're going to return OK. There you go. Now the function check p will either return 1, either 0. Int a sin a check p a. You can say cout check p a. And there you go. 50 is not a prime number, 23 is a prime number. And that's about it for functions. Thank you very much for watching, it really means a lot to me. It would mean even more if you could leave down a comment on what should I do next. Leave a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.